Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Experts, where we talk about the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the markets so that we all know exactly what is happening. My name is Jess and we do these live streams every single weekday. So if you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. The chat is going crazy this morning. Thank you very much for all tuning in. As always, Maverick said, where is she? Here we are. Sorry for that delay there. I was just setting everything up. Thank you very much to everybody who's already hit that like button today. Please do not forget to do so if you have not already. Let's take a look at what is going on here. So we are taking a look at Bitcoin first of all. Bitcoin is up at $35,340, up almost 2% within the last 24 hours. And what else are we seeing here? We're seeing some fluctuations in the prices here. We've got Ethereum up 0.35%. We've got Solana up another 5%. Solana's been very volatile and very bullish. We've got TON up almost 10% there as well, and Chainlink up another 5%. Chainlink broke a nice level of resistance. We can take a look at that quickly. Just a couple of weeks ago, let's delete all of these lines here. You can see we were stuck under a major level of resistance for Chainlink. Now, I personally am a huge fan of Chainlink, but it was stuck onto this level of resistance for 530 days. Now, it's managed to break up above that, and it's just been on a move to the upside. It's increased since it broke through this level of resistance, up 64%. That is such a significant move for an altcoin like this. I personally am a huge fan of Solana. I think it's got a huge amount of potential. I am personally majority into Bitcoin right now because at the point in the markets that are at, but I am really regretting not having a bigger Chainlink portfolio. That is a token that I did plan to invest into and allocate some of my Bitcoin into in the near future, but obviously I've missed that big move there of 64%, a massive gain for Chainlink holders, and a massive gain for those of us that have been in the markets during this bearish period. Let's take a look here. So Chainlink was at a high of $53 at the previous bull market. It's now at $13, but it was trading down at $5. That is such a significant move there. But anyway, that was a complete distraction from today's news. We've got some major news to talk about today. Let's first of all look at the biggest gainers and losers for the last 24 hours, and then we'll take a look at the gaming sector because that's really heated up within the last 24 hours. First of all, biggest gainers, we've got TON up almost 10%, Matic up almost 9%. I'm sure a lot of our viewers will be happy to see that today. We've got Flowcoin up almost 8% and 1inch up over 6% there as well. Now, biggest losses, we've got Trust Wallets, TWT, the Graph down 5%, Engine down 5%, and PancakeSwap down there as well. If we take a look at Trust Wallets token, you can see it's having a little bit of a pullback after a huge rally there, so that was expected. We've got some big volatility in the markets right now. Jerome says, yes, everyone is going crazy over Chainlink. It is brilliant to see. I really do believe in Chainlink for the long term and the use case of Chainlink. But first of all, let's move on now to the gaming industry. Now, this could change cryptocurrency forever, and this should not be understated. There are rumors right now suggesting that Grand Theft Auto could integrate blockchain into its launch of GTA 6. Now, it could feature cryptocurrency. There could be play to earn features in GTA 6, and that could just change cryptocurrency forever. We've seen a huge amount of speculation and excitement around the gaming of the industry, specifically the gaming sector of cryptocurrency, over and over again during bull markets. We tend to get pretty excited about gaming, and I always try and look at the cryptocurrency sector and try and dissect ways in which we can find the best ways we can integrate. We can get people from Web 2 to Web 3, and what we can see here is there's a lot of difficulty with that. We're building Web3, we're building the cryptocurrency industry so much, but we're lacking that integration of getting users from Web2 to Web3. And a lot of people turn to gaming and say this is the opportunity to do that. Now, we've seen a lot of gaming projects launch and a lot of excitement being created around that within the cryptocurrency space. But I've always said here, I struggle to see a point in time in which a gaming-based cryptocurrency that's born from cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency sector is going to integrate into the traditional markets. What I see more likely is a traditional market game like GTA 6 going into cryptocurrency, and that's how they gain that market share. It would be very difficult for a cryptocurrency game to get that exposure that a traditional game already has. So I'm expecting to see traditional games turn to blockchain, and that's when we get that widespread exposure. And that's what I'm excited about, because if a traditional game turns to blockchain, a load of people are going to get interested in what blockchain is. We're going to see that wave of adoption. They're going to try and get involved. If a massive traditional game gets involved in that play to earn space, that's when we can see a massive boom for the cryptocurrency space. And that's what would really change. And now I do understand the hype and the excitement around gaming tokens in the cryptocurrency space and projects built specifically in Web3. I just don't think that they have the capability to get that widespread adoption that we're looking for, but traditional games do. And they could just open people's eyes to the cryptocurrency sector. This is a game-changing announcement. If it is true, it could change the space massively. It is all rumors right now, but GTA 6 could include blockchain gaming and include some kind of cryptocurrency that can be redeemed in real life. Have resurfaced. The rumors have resurfaced this week. Now, they were originally rumored in 2021, but they are now swirling around again. The claims are currently unsubstantiated. A Forbes India article cited a crypto Twitter account as its source of the rumors, and neither GTA developer Rockstar Games nor parent company Take-Two Interactive have confirmed or denied the rumors thus far, but we are waiting to see later this week, I believe, whether this has any credit and whether these rumors are true. Now, as I said, if these rumors are true, it can change the game here. Jerome says, Jess, the games aren't like Axie Infinity anymore. Check out Dead Drop. We are going to take a look at some of the biggest gaming projects here. So I've pulled up a list of the biggest gaming projects. They've seen some volatility within the last days or weeks. Let's say that for the least. You can see here 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. They've all got green there. They've all had a nice move to the upside. I've pulled up 3 here. We've got Exceed Me here first of all. If you are a long-term fan of Jordan, you will have heard of Exceed Me before. This token went all the way up to 18 cents in the previous bull market. It's now trading down at 3, but it did see that huge wick of volatility off the back of this news, and we've seen this throughout the gaming sector. We saw it again with Immutable X. We've seen that rise all the way up to $1.20 before retracing back down to 84 cents there. Again, a lot of volatility, and we've got something similar with Axie Infinity here. We've seen some volatility in the markets, some hype in the markets, excitement of what potentially is to come. Now, as I said, I personally find it difficult to believe that we will get a cryptocurrency based and a cryptocurrency project game get into the, I find it hard to believe one of those will get into the traditional markets and gain some of that market share that traditional games have. But I see the potential of these projects when hype builds around traditional games moving into blockchain. If GTA 6 announces that they have a blockchain and they're doing play to earn and they're launching a cryptocurrency or integrating a current cryptocurrency into their project, the hype around the gaming sector is going to explode. And I cannot express how important that will be, how big that change will be for the cryptocurrency space. Not only will it create some hype around the gaming sector in cryptocurrency, and maybe some of us could see some nice gains, it would also change how the cryptocurrency industry is seen. GTA 6 could bring a huge amount of people into learning about what blockchain is, understanding the benefits of blockchain. It could just be a complete game changer. I cannot express that enough. We will stay up to date with that news. It is currently just a rumor, but if it is found to be true, we will be reporting on that here on these live streams. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. As I said, we do this live stream every single weekday, so make sure to tune in every single day to learn about what's going on in crypto. We started these live streams when Bitcoin was down at $16,000. That was the pinnacle point. We said, right, we need to make a real big push now because things are starting to change at $16,000. That was the market low for Bitcoin. And since then, every single weekday, we have been here doing these live streams. We have not missed a day, and we do not plan to. We will actually have another member from CSE joining these live streams with me very, very soon, within the next couple of weeks. And then he will be taking on these live streams for a couple of weeks, so I can have a few days off. I've not had a few days off in a year now. So he's going to be taking over some of these live streams in the coming weeks, so you'll be able to meet some other members of Crypto Saving Expert. Make sure to stay tuned for that. Let's take a look at what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news here. We have just heard that HSBC, one of the biggest banks in the world, has planned custody service providing custody service for non-crypto digital assets assets. So what we're seeing here is HSBC plans to launch in 2024 a custody service for storing blockchain-based assets, excluding cryptocurrency. So the service, which is in partnership with Swiss digital asset firm Metaco, will allow institutional clients to store blockchain-based tokens representing traditional financial assets as opposed to crypto or stable coins. Now, the benefit we're seeing here is that HSBC are adopting blockchain technology. Now, HSBC said last week it had made tokens representing physical gold held in its London vault, and the bank last year launched a digital asset platform, HSBC Orion, which also allows financial institutions to issue blockchain-based versions of financial assets, also known as tokenized securities. Now, they've said, we're seeing increasing demand for custody and fund administration of digital assets from asset managers and asset owners as this market continues to evolve. So blockchain is a digital ledger that records ownership of tokens. We all know this here. It is not seeing widespread adoption, but proponents say it has the potential to make trading more efficient and transparent. So we're seeing one of the biggest banks in the world adopt blockchain technology, offer custody services to their institutional clients right now. We are seeing the adoption of blockchain very, very slowly. This is going to take a long period of time, but slowly we are getting that adoption, and we're getting that acceptance from bigger companies that blockchain technology does have its use cases, and there are benefits to using blockchains over traditional systems, and maybe this is one step closer to the realization that Bitcoin is the best way to store value. We will talk about that later in today's stream. We're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin and all of that good stuff, so make sure to stay tuned until the very end. Make sure to hit that like button. We've currently got 12 likes. Let's try and get that all the way up to 20. Let me know if there are any streaming issues today. It doesn't look like it's great on my end, but there's no complaints in the live chat so far. Let's see what else is going on in the latest cryptocurrency news. So earlier this year, we saw Coinbase, one of the leading centralized exchanges, launch a layer 2 solution. They launched a layer 2 for Ethereum called Base. We saw a huge amount of pump and dumps being created on Base from meme coin creators, but now we're seeing Kraken potentially doing the same. Now, do we need another layer 2 solution here? Kraken is reportedly searching for a developer partner to roll out its own layer 2 network, following in the footsteps of Coinbase. The US cryptocurrency exchange appears to have liked what it has seen with Base's success post-launch and is mulling over development partners to construct a layer 2 network. We're always looking to identify and solve new industry challenges and opportunities. We don't have anything further to share at this time, says Kraken, but they are looking to launch a layer 2. Now, we saw Coinbase do this, and they launched in August this year. And their layer 2 has performed very, very well. They announced in October their layer 2 would be open source, its contracts and front end in an act of transparency. Base has attained over $500 million total value locked, demonstrating a fast adoption by crypto users. And in August, Base overtook all alternative layer 2s and Ethereum for transactions per second amid the friend.tech frenzy. So they've seen success there, and Kraken are looking and saying, do you know what? I want a piece of the pie. But the question is, do we need another layer 2 solution there? That's always going to be the question there. We're always going to see people trying to build layer 2 solutions to try and improve the efficiency of these layer 1s. And that is something that we all benefit from. So nothing we can complain about too much there. Let's see what else is going on here in the cryptocurrency news. Yuga Labs founder has bought a CryptoPunk for $1.13 million. Now, one of the group's founders who created the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection picked up a CryptoPunk for a high price. Now, they have bought this CryptoPunk here. This is the one in question. It's number 7458, one of 88 zombie punks in the 10,000 NFT collection there. So Yuga Labs purchased CryptoPunks, their NFTs, to make a U-turn. There's been a lot of speculation on what's happening with NFTs right now. We have seen a little bit of a movement back in the industry. What happened was NFTs had a huge amount of excitement in the previous bull market. CryptoPunks absolutely exploded, and then we've seen the floor price go down and down and down and down. We've seen the volatility and the amount of transactions in the NFT sector go down and down and down and down. We've seen the excitement about the NFT sector going down and down and down and down. But what we are seeing now is some excitement could be back. Now, we are seeing some activity in the markets once again. If we go to the news section here, we can see that NFTs have had a bit of a rebirth. If we take a look at what's gone on in the latest news here, NFT volumes have risen for the 5th executive week. That was reported yesterday. So we are seeing some excitement there again. Now, as I said in yesterday's stream, I am negatively biased towards the NFT space. NFTs that have a real world value, yes, can get behind that. If you're going to sell concert tickets through NFTs, brilliant. But if you're just going to create a picture and post it, and it has this huge value for no reason other than its speculation of these NFTs. And that's not something that I can get behind as something I would choose to invest in personally. If you manage to profit from NFTs, congratulations. That is a skill that I do not possess and have not tried to possess. It's a very hard skill to understand which NFTs are going to pop off next. CryptoPunks were one of the last craze. Will they be there again this time? Are they the Doge of NFTs? Or are they just going to fall behind when a new wave of NFTs come around? That's the question here, and I think there could be a huge shift in the projects which performed well last NFT bull market and what will perform well this time around. We always see a huge cycle in these projects, so I don't think necessarily because an NFT project did well last time, it means it will do well this time. It's a huge game of speculation when it comes to NFTs with no real world use case. It's just kind of a game of guess who. But we'll see. It could be fun. We could all make some big profits there. A lot of people make a lot of money from NFTs. They're just not personally for me. But there is excitement back in the markets, and I have no doubt we will see an NFT bull market at some point in time. We saw it with meme coins just a couple of months ago. The sector absolutely soared and ripped past all of our imaginations, and I'm sure NFTs will at some point as well. They've done it before. They will do it again. And then, as always, I will be very, very shocked to see the valuation of some of these digital pictures. Let's take a look at the next article here, though, and see what else is going on. OpenSea value drops 90% after market downturn. So OpenSea's value as a company appears to have plummeted after NFT struggles in 2023 and increased competitors. So OpenSea is an NFT marketplace, essentially. As I've just said, the NFT market has decreased massively over the last couple of months. It started to pick up again within the last 5 weeks, but the valuation of OpenSea is struggling there. So we are seeing the NFT marketplace had been valued at $13.3 billion following its raise, but now the hedge fund has now dropped the value of its stake from $120 million to just $13 million, representing a significant decrease. Now we are seeing here the NFTs continue to struggle. There's been a huge downturn in the amount of interest around NFTs within the last year or couple of years there. We can see the floor price for major crypto NFT collections has decreased significantly. We had Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs having a floor price at 69.4 Ethereum, now down to 28.5 Ethereum. If you take into consideration the value of Ethereum decreasing in that point in time as well, that is a massive decline. We've got Mutant Ape Yacht Club down from 15.5 ETH to 5.4 ETH, and we've got Doodles down from 6.6 ETH to 2.3 ETH. We can go on and see the floor price has decreased a lot for a lot of the NFTs in the space, but no doubt, as I said, NFTs will probably see another move to the upside, and when it does, I will sit back in awe of those that manage to speculate on those assets and get it right. Let's take a look at the next article here and see what's going on in the crypto space. We've got which are the best value mining stocks at the moment. A recent report has highlighted potential overvalued stocks within the Bitcoin mining industry. Now, Bitcoin mining, Marathon Digital, and Riot Blockchain are currently considered amongst the most undervalued companies in the crypto mining industry, according to some analysts here, and we are looking at these companies and seeing the potential of them. Now, this is something that I pay a lot of interest in because I think there's a huge value in diversifying out of just Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency space and looking at the traditional markets, investing in some stocks from time to time. And I personally am very cryptocurrency focused, so looking at stocks that are related to the cryptocurrency industry is something that I can understand, something I can pay attention to because I have a big interest in how these companies work. So this is an article that I'm definitely going to spend some time researching after this call. I am going to put a link to that in the live chat today if you do want to check that out. Let's take a look at what else is going on here. The top 5 crypto Christmas gifts. We are going to run through this article and then we'll analyze the price of Bitcoin. So stay with me here. Crypto Saving Expert has launched a Crypto Saving Expert merch store. You can find the link to it on the website, or you can go to cryptosavingexpert.store, and we sell all of these products: Bitcoin socks, posters, more mugs, neon signs, and wax melts there as well. So let's go through here. This is the Crypto Saving Expert store, cryptosavingexpert.store, and you can get access to lots of Crypto Saving Expert merch or Bitcoin merch. This thermos travel mug is one of my favorites personally, but we also sell, which is pretty unusual, candles and wax melts. Now these wax melts, I've got some here. They smell absolutely lovely, and they are imprinted with Bitcoin in a lot of detail. If I can actually make that focus, there you go. You can see the amount of detail on those wax melts, and you can buy a wax melt on the website, put a little candle underneath. They smell lovely. What else have we got here? We've got the mugs, we've got the stainless steel metal water bottles, insulated, we've got the pens, coasters, all of that good stuff. One of my favorite things on the website here is the mystery boxes. Now, these mystery boxes contain a value. Let's take a look at this. The mystery boxes will what's the value here? We can find it. The value of these boxes, the retail value of these boxes for the £50 mystery box is higher than £50. So that's how they work, and it is very, very exciting. You don't know what merch you're going to get, but you're going to get some nice Crypto Saving Expert merch and Bitcoin merch. We've got some wallets here, metal seed phrase wallets, lots of good stuff there. There was one more thing I wanted to show you before we move on. The posters. We've launched new posters. So we've got these two Bitcoin ones. We've got the Bitcoin white paper there. It has just been the 14-year anniversary of Bitcoin on Halloween. Was it 14? Maybe 15? I think it was 14. And what else have we got here? New Ethereum posters there as well. So make sure to check them out. Those card diffusers, use them all of the time. Let's see what's going on with the price of Bitcoin though, because that's what we're all here for. If you do want to buy any Bitcoin or Crypto Saving Expert merch for your loved ones this Christmas, make sure to check out cryptosavingexpert.store. I'm sure all of you have got friends and family that want a beanie with a Bitcoin logo on. Let's take a look at what's going on here. We have Bitcoin staying within the current range. It has moved slightly to the upside within the last 24 hours. It is brilliant to see Bitcoin above that $35,000 level. If we take a look at what's happened here, I would say that we have actually broken through a level of resistance. If we take what happened here and here, you can see we've broken through that on the hourly chart. So I've taken the level of resistance from the 5th of November and the 6th of November, and you can see we've actually bounced that previous level of resistance as a support on the hourly chart there at $35,160. If we can manage to continue to hold that level of support, that's really, really positive. I would love to never see Bitcoin into $35,000 again. As soon as the price goes up and people start to pay interested in this again, I just feel so proud to have stayed in the space for this whole time, because so many people tell you in a bear market it is not coming back. Oh, you must be delusional. You're one of those people that believe in Bitcoin. And then it comes back and they all come running and say, what should I do? Am I too late? It is so lovely to see these people change their opinions. Let's see what else is going on here. We have a significant level of support that's running all the way up here on the 1 hour chart. You can see this is currently at around $34,720. On the daily chart, you can see we've got a level of, to be fair, this is better on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see we've got a solid level of support at $31,784. This was a level of support in the previous bull market. And we've got a level of resistance here at $37,765. That has been used as a level of support and resistance in the previous bull market and bear market. So this is something to be paying close attention to there. Things are looking up. Things are looking positive. What we want to see now is the spot Bitcoin ETF acceptance, where we may feel like we are a long way from them. We are waiting until March next year until we get an answer from the SEC, but they could answer this week in theory. They can answer any time up until the 15th of March for the majority of those spot Bitcoin ETF applications. They are now re-reviewing Grayscale's application as well. Fingers crossed they get accepted, because if they do, that would change the space forever. Now, we've said that a lot today. We've got the speculation around GTA 6, what that could do for the cryptocurrency markets, and we've got spot Bitcoin ETFs and the changes that could bring to the cryptocurrency markets. It's all big news today. Let's recap that GTA news for those of you that weren't tuned in yet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. We have big news today, and that is the speculation around Grand Theft Auto 6 integrating blockchain and having play to earn features. Now, if Grand Grand Theft Auto have play to earn features. That is going to create a huge amount of excitement back into the gaming sector of cryptocurrency, maybe even pump some of our bags here, and it could create a huge amount of adoption for the cryptocurrency space. Now, if GTA 6 has play to earn a gaming system inside of it, mechanics, essentially, we could see it adopt a different cryptocurrency or create their own kind of cryptocurrency. It's not clear yet. Now, GTA or its parent company have not denied these rumors so far. They have not confirmed them either. So this is all speculation, but there are rumors here that GTA 6 will keep gamers busy for a long time despite being debunked. These rumors keep resurfacing there. So crypto trading, play to earn quest rewards, your own digital home, private chain, many of these can be found in other Web3 projects. So the speculation is that you could play GTA 6 and you could earn tokens in-game, and those in-game tokens have real-world value. You earn cryptocurrency tokens that you can sell for money, or you can continue to trade and play with in the game. Now, we all know what play to earn tokens are. We've seen this within the cryptocurrency space a lot. There's many different games within cryptocurrency that have these features. We're looking at Exceed Me here. Exceed Me is in the gaming sector. We've got Immutable X in the gaming sector. That's up significantly within the last couple of days. And we've got Axie Infinity up 2.14% within the last 24 hours, but up significantly since that lull in October. We're seeing big changes here in the gaming sector. What could this mean for the space? So let's see what's going on there. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. And sorry about the ads in the live stream. If there were too many, I will try and slow that down. Monkey Nut says ads are how Jess makes revenue and from views and likes. So hit the like button. Please help and hit the like button, subscribe, press the bell notification button, interact with the video as much as possible. The ads are there to create a little bit of revenue, but if they are annoying and they're making you click off, that is not what we want to see. So we can reduce that. I think I will try and do that after today's stream. Thank you very much there, Monkey Nuts, and let's go back to what's going on with GTA 6. Now, I've always heavily speculated with what's going on in the gaming sector. Now, the gaming sector for cryptocurrency is interesting, and it seems to create a huge amount of excitement every single bull market. We see all that excitement and people flooding into investing in the gaming sector, just like we saw meme coins pop off a couple of months ago. We probably will see that again with the gaming sector at some point in time. Now, that's all great, and it's all exciting what these projects are building. There's so many projects out there trying to build games that have play-to-earn features, but I think there's a real limitation on play-to-earn games right now if they're built within the cryptocurrency space. Now, a lot of these games are trying to filter out of cryptocurrency and appeal to the masses, not just those within cryptocurrency. But I think the majority of cases, cryptocurrency projects that in the gaming sector that are pumping from speculation from investors, not pumping from people actually using those games. And that is a massive problem. People turn to gaming as the way in which we can gain mass adoption for cryptocurrency. The reason gaming has so much excitement and anticipation around it is because people in crypto believe that the gaming sector can get a huge audience into cryptocurrency. Now, I agree with that, but I think the way that will happen is from a traditional game adopting play to earn first, not from a play to earn game in crypto adopting the masses adopting that. I think that's a really difficult challenge, and I think it's more likely that a big game like GTA 6 will adopt blockchain technology at some point in time, bring in play to earn, and that will open the floodgates then for users that already play GTA 6 to learn about blockchain, to learn about play to earn, to learn that they can make money from gaming, and then that opens the doors for those crypto projects that have been here for the long term actually getting that adoption that they deserve. I think that's the way it will go. A lot of people have speculated over time that it will be the other way around, where these play to earn tokens, people will realize what they can do in the crypto sector and move into crypto. I think that's a much bigger challenge rather than having a traditional game, introducing them to blockchain, teaching them about play to earn, and then seeing that adoption of cryptocurrency projects there. That's how I expect it to go. But it is all very, very exciting how things are changing right now. Hopefully this rumor is true and we can see some positivity there. Hopefully we see the spot Bitcoin ETF acceptance very, very soon. All of the things are heating up. We've got the Bitcoin halving in April 2024 as well. So the stars are aligning, I like to say. Things are heating up and things are getting exciting. But that is all we have for today's stream. So thank you very much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest crypto cryptocurrency news. That is all we have for today, though. Thank you very much for watching, and we will be back here tomorrow with another